Hi, today we're going to talk about this new thing I made. It's called the in-circuit LED tester. That means you can test the LED without having to take it out of the circuit board or anything like that. Now I'll show it to you in a few minutes. I'll show it to you, find the board here, and we'll hook it up. It will look like this with it. You can have an option to put alligator clips on it. Order it with alligator clips for more money, but anyway, it will work as the way you want it. You can use these as probes as well, the bare wires. If you don't like that, you can just get the alligator clips with it too. It has a socket for taking the transistor and not transistor LED. Put it in the socket there, and it lights up to show you that it's working. That's a working LED. And then you can take the board here, take one of these wires here, right here, the LEDs are right here. And I'm going to put this ground wire to there. See, it's red, green, red, green, red, green. They all work. These are bicolored LEDs with 3 pins. That's why I didn't have to change the pin on the ground. You get a different color. Well, enough about that. Let's go ahead and look at the schematic. Here's a schematic. It's very basic and simple. It's a simple LM317 constant current regulator. What we got over here is your positive 5 volts right over here on the side over here. Then you got over here, between the out and the adjust, is a resistor that sets the current. There's only one resistor in it. It's a 56 ohm resistor. It can be between 56 to 65 ohms. Or 60, I think it was 62. I don't think it was 65. Was it 65? $62.5 what it was. And your LED will connect across your probes over here. Probe plus and probe minus. And that there will light the LED if it works, and if it doesn't, then it don't do anything. And it works pretty well. It'll adjust the resistors to fit the LED's need. If it needs to, depending on this. For example, if something in the circuit is causing it to, we're sharing resistance on it. If it's sharing current to 2 different devices, like another resistor or a capacitor or a semiconductor, or maybe such a thing as a xenodiode or anything, a diode or anything like that, it'll automatically adjust itself there, so it tries to do its best to make 20 milliamps of current. So that's what usually LEDs are what typically run off of, is 20 milliamps or so. They don't usually go like that unless using higher wattage LEDs. And high wattage LEDs actually use the circuit too. Some of them do. To one. And there you go. That's basically how to make a simple in-circuit LED tester. You can use it for various things. To test LEDs to see if they work, to see how to use them. And so, because a meter won't, not all meters will put out enough current and enough voltage to an LED to see if it works. And sometimes you could use a resistor, but then sometimes that has to change. Then if you put in a circuit, it might have to be a different resistor you have to use. Then you have to figure out what that resistor is. With LM317, with a constant current thing, you can have a thing that should change resistor for you. You can call it like an automatic resistor. It changes it to the correct value automatically. And this is for sale on 10 cents. You can't beat a deal like that. 10 cents for this tester. And it runs off the USB. So there's no batteries that's needed. Wire isn't that long, but you can just solder longer wires onto it if you wanted to. Well, that's it for this video. So if you oh yeah, one more thing. If you go to my store and you go type in the coupon code YouTube 2018, you'll get 4% discount on anything you want in my store off your order. And that's because I do that because I think I like people who watch my YouTube channel and like what I do. And that's why I do it for. And I really want people to buy stuff from me. I haven't had hardly people buying stuff from me, and that's going to be a big problem. I pay money to run the store every month. It's like the store is like it costs like $12 a month, and no one has got anything from me. So I hope you decide to buy something from me. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and don't forget about the YouTube poll.